Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to use Vlookup with sum. Okay, the table is given here. The teams, different teams are there, and each team won how many awards based on the year is given in the table. Now we are going to find the red team total, how many awards they have received by using this formula Vlookup with sum. Okay, so red team is 1, total 15. So that is output we are going to get by using this formula. So let's see how to use that formula. First you have to start the formula with equal sum and then open bracket, then Vlookup, and then the lookup value, select the team red, I have selected that one, comma the table array. The table array I have selected from where we are calculating this one. We are looking up the reds teams awards, total award, comma. After that, make sure to enter this bracket, the one which I mentioned. Okay, so mention that one, and then we need the all the awards, total awards, right? So first award 2020 is in which column? Second column, comma. Next award 2021 is in which column? Third column, and then the last one is in the fourth column. 4 you mentioned. After that, see here again, close the same like I mentioned the bracket, close it with that, so that see each column is closed, comma, and then see true is approximate and approximate match, and false is for the exact match. You mentioned 0 and then the close parenthesis. So this close parenthesis is closing for the Vlookup formula, and then again close parenthesis for sum formula. Now it's the important step. You have to press Ctrl Shift and enter together, all together. If you press, and then you will get the sum value of the lookup table. See here what we have mentioned, 2 comma 3 comma 4, the column, right? That column is, it is just sum, and then the output is given based on the lookup value. See here the total value is given as 15. For the red team, total award received is 15. Okay friends, thank you so much for watching this video. Please share this with your friends so that someone will be getting benefited from this.